What's the meaning of burro? Burro. Burro.
Burrow. Burrow. The word burro is a Spanish term that refers to a small donkey or an ass. It is commonly used in southwestern United States and Mexico to describe these animals or as a slang term for a stubborn or foolish person. The burro has been an important transportation animal for centuries, especially in areas with rough terrain or poor road conditions. They are known for their endurance and strength, which have made them valuable in various industries such as mining and agriculture. Nowadays, burros are also kept as pets or used for recreational purposes such as hiking and trail riding.